Her name is Noelle. I had a dream about her. She rings my bell.
Teenage Dirtbag. Teenage Dirtbag. Absolute tune. Really cool groove in the verses. Let's learn how to play it. But first of all, just so you got both sections, the chorus is really easy. Yes, it is. Either on the crash or a slightly open hi-hat. I'll keep it close for now, just for your sanity. It's just 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can see it up here. If this makes no sense to you, check out the rest of this playlist, New Drummers Toolkit, because I go over more simple stuff in there. Or in there. I don't know which playlist this is in yet. But anyway, Teenage Dirtbag, that's your chorus. I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. So on and so forth. But the cool part is the verse groove. I mean, come on. What's going on here is far simpler than you might think. It's just single strokes. I know, crazy. It's just right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. How does that work, you might ask? Well, put your right hand on the hi-hat. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You're playing 16th notes, so you're counting them. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So let's do that. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Take that as slow as you need to. For this groove specifically, make your left hand as quiet as you can physically make it and keep it that quiet. Because we're playing ghost notes B. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. The challenge here is keeping your right hand reasonably loud while the left hand stays very quiet. Beats 2 and 4, you're going to bring that right hand down from the hi-hat onto the snare drum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Get used to that for a while. 3 E and a 4 E and a. Make sure that right hand coming down is nice and loud because that's your backbeat. Everyone needs to know where that is. So, that's comfortable. Keep the left hand as low and as quiet as you can because it's adding definition to the rest of your groove. Yeah, you heard me right. We're doing cool things here. Working on that technique, boo. So now the kick drum. It comes in on 1 and the and of 1 as well as 3 and the and of 3. Sounds more complicated when I say it out loud like that. But when you hear it, it will make sense. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Bass drums will be falling with your right hand on the hi-hat, so you have a bit of a guide for where they should be coming down. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Play that as slowly as you need to, even if it sounds like this. As long as it's consistent, that's the more important part. But that's it. That's literally it. Her name is Noelle. I had a dream about her. She rings my bell. She's in class in half an hour. Oh, how she rocks with something to talk. And she doesn't know who I am. And she doesn't care. I'm ready for the chorus.